Hello everyone, I'm Kasun from Many Chances. Today we are going to create a Instagram account. Right, let's see how to do that. First of all, you need to go to Google, and after that type Instagram. And click over there and click on the first results of the Google. That's Instagram. This is a perfect platform. You can improve your business, you can upload your photos, you can upload your stories. This is an amazing place. Right, there are two options available. You can sign up to the Google Instagram account. So first thing is you can sign up with your Facebook, and second thing is you can sign up with your email address. Right, today I'm going to sign up with email address. Right, this is the interface that you can see after click the sign up button. I'm going to add my email address, and after that my minute answers. I'm sorry. And keep this one. You can choose any kind of username, but I'm use minute answers username. Remove the space, and I'm going to add my new password. You can use the suggested password, that is also very strong. Okay, now hit the sign up button. I'm sorry. Right, click next. Right, now Instagram sent you a verification code. You can find out on the Instagram account and go to that, copy that code and go to the Instagram page, paste it here, click next. Now we arrived to the Instagram home page. That means your profile home page. Now you have to do little things. You need to add if you need to add your phone number, you can add that. You can profile picture, and you can go to the edit profile, and here some details you need to add. Your website, bio, any phone number if you like, gender. Most of people using Instagram to get new businesses, working as an influencer. There are a lot of stuff. These platforms you can convert as your income method. That's very great thing. So try to do something. That means if you can do new videos, if you are the photographer, then you can tell to the audience, you can tell to the world, hey, I can do this kind of thing, I can do you service, I can do you any kind of service. So you can provide any kind of service in this platform, but you should creative. So there are some stuffs available to talk with another video, because we can create a professional account. That means it's a kind of business account. So I'll teach you how to do that. And up to now, I think now enough. I can't fill you with a lot of information, so I think that is not good. So I will create another video how to create a business account in Instagram. Now viewer, and this is the home page. You can follow whatever you need. There are a lot of people available in the Instagram, so therefore you can follow those people, and you can they will sometimes follow back you. If you're doing great thing, they will follow back you, right? Thank you very much for staying with me, and thank you very much. If you learn something new, please thumbs up and the subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.